Hey everyone, how's it going? So, going to the bank. Today I'm going to this bank called Swedbank. So, I just need to withdraw some cash. And then I'm planning to go for a park. Maybe I will show you a park here, like how does it look, how it is. Also, look at the view here. So you see this white building? This whole building is like big. And down below they have offices, and at the roof they are all apartments. So I'm gonna go to this building, withdraw some cash, and then I'll catch you in the park. Bye-bye. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about Lithuania? I think it's a cool country, although they are not that developed. But do you know that joke about Lithuania, the G-spot of Europe? This is the place where I have my bank.